Hi, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. My name is Ruchi and today I am going to show you how to grow fenugreek from seeds. In Hindi we also call it methi. So fenugreek or methi. So you might already know fenugreek has a lot of health benefits. It controls your cholesterol, it controls your blood sugar level, it's very good for joints, it reduces inflammation, it helps in digestion, and there are many more. You can search for it on the internet. So here I have methi seeds that I got from the grocery store, regular methi seeds. I soaked them overnight and then just an hour ago I kind of drained them on this paper towel so that excess water is removed, and when I scatter them on the soil, they don't bunch together. And if you look closely, some of them are already sprouting. So basically soaking overnight helps in the germination process. So methi plants or fenugreek plants, they don't have very deep roots, so they can grow in a shallow pot like this. It has good drainage at the bottom. I have filled it with a good potting soil mix. So now I'm just going to take these seeds and just scatter on it. I'm not doing a very good job, I guess, so some of them are close enough, but that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, you can always scatter it, separate them. Okay, I think that should be sufficient. So now we'll cover it with the soil. So not too much of it, maybe quarter to half, and just all the seeds should be covered. They shouldn't be on the top, so that they stay inside moist and warm. So just cover it with the soil like this, and if one or two seeds are showing on the top, that's fine. They still will root. Okay, so now we are pretty much done, and then let's water it. So here I have my sprinkler, so I'll just water it generously. And as I am watering it, the soil will settle down and some seeds may start showing up, and that's fine. We can just cover them up or push them down, and that will be fine. So the soil was really dry, so I'm going to water it generously. In general, when you have to water it, just stick your finger in the pot, and if it feels dry, you should water it. Otherwise, don't overwater it. So I think this looks okay. So here some of the seeds are showing up. I'll just gently push them down and cover them up, or maybe just add extra soil. And that's about it. So I have here another pot which I planted exactly 1 week ago, and you can see that it has germinated very well. So many of these seedlings are coming out, so it's actually very easy to grow fenugreek. So if you soak it overnight, it just even becomes easier. And you keep watering it depending on the weather. Whenever the soil is dry, just water it and it will grow. More water. So I also want to show you that I had sowed them about 6 to 8 weeks ago, and I'll show you the pot that it looks like here. See, these are like about 9 inches tall, really healthy methi growing. So for a family of 2, probably this much methi is good for making one meal or one. So I have one more pot that had grown about 6 to 8 inches tall, and then I cut it from the bottom and I used it in my curry, and now you can see that it has started growing again. So basically you can keep cutting when they grow like 6 to 8 inches tall, and then use it, and then it will keep regrowing. So it doesn't do very well when it's too cold or too hot, but you know, temperatures between 50 degree Fahrenheit to 90 degree Fahrenheit, it will be okay. So it will grow, you keep chopping it, and then it will keep regrowing, and you can keep using it. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.